Welcome to today's class. Today we'll be looking at elements, what they are and how to use them. If you were part of the first class, please, if you don't watch the first video, please go back and watch it, and then please like and subscribe so that you see any other video that will be coming after now. From the first video, we explained what elements are. That is where we have all the symbols, the icons, and the shapes hidden. These are all elements in different forms for different purposes and for different uses. If you want to search for a particular element to use, you come here and then you search for it. For instance, I want to get a phone icon. Then I click on search to show me different phone icons. Then I can click here, see all that will see these particular ones, right? Then remember, anything with this icon is only for premium users, right? So you have to go with the free icons for your design. So click on it and then you come to your workspace. See, you do something like this, and then write your phone number. See, right, is an element for it. You can also get your rectangle and click on search. See, you have all kinds of rectangles. So once you have what you're looking for, you click on it. Then remember, position, move it backwards, right? So that the other one can come on top. And change the color from here. Change it to any color. Any color of your choice. See, that is one. Then, like I said, anything that you're looking for, you can search for it here. Once you search for it, you see it, you definitely see it. Anything that you're looking for instance, Facebook icon. You see, anything that you're looking for, you see it here. Click on see more, so I can show me more of this type of icons. Remember, we have the free ones and the premium ones, so you go for the one that is free if you're using a free version. If you're using a premium version, you can go for the premium one. Likewise, YouTube. See, any icon you're looking for, you can see it here. See it by just searching for it. Now, if I want to create something unique from what is available here, or if what I'm looking for is not here, I can use AI to generate what I'm looking for. For instance, I will say generate a WhatsApp icon 3D and come here and click on generate. Then AI will generate what I asked it to generate. You can tell AI to generate anything, including images, right? anything you can tell AI to generate, and AI can generate for you. So once it's done, just click on it and then to come to your workspace just like that. See 3D coming, placing 3D WhatsApp images already. So click on it and then it will come. But if you want, if what you want is not there, like it's different from what you're looking for, then click here and then it will regenerate again. So this is it. Right. Then the next thing we can look for here is frames. So what are frames? See, we have frames here. So frames are, like the name implies, what you add pictures to, what you add images to. There are some nice designs. You see they'll write a letter and then someone's picture will be inside, right? For instance, I want to write P A then you can actually adjust this. Double click and then the image will show for you to control. Double click, the image will show for you to control. So let's say to make it look complete. This is the work of frames, and also I can just make it like this. It's a frame, like for a phone. Alright, you can just drag the picture into it. This is what frame is used for. Phone, for a program, can add a picture. So I'm adding the picture, just drag it, right? Just drag it. See, once it's inside, you leave it. Then you can just design anyhow you want. Alright. So that is how it is done for frames. Just double click and you can remove the picture. This is clear enough. It's easy enough, right? So okay, so in case you want to delete the picture inside, there are two ways. You come here, then you press on your delete button. That's how it goes. Just click on your delete button and it will go, or you can double click it and then delete button to still go. This is for elements basically. As you continue to work with other designs, so that's basically for elements. See you in the next class.